Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cosmo from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then add another circle inside each one. And color them both in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. We'll start with the upside down curve. Curve it back up underneath. And then another curve to connect it. And then add 2 lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a long curve across the top. And then curve it down on both ends. Now let's bring it down. Now before we draw the bottom, let's move underneath each of the eyes and let's draw a curve up and back down for the hands. And then a bump out. And 2 angled lines down and in underneath. Now let's move back up and let's finish drawing the bottom of the head. From the sides, let's curve it back in. And then continue it with a line across in the center. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's add some details. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curved V shape at the top and one on the right side. And add the same curve inside. Now let's move out and let's draw the same thing on the left and on the right. And then hop out and let's draw a curve down and back up. And that's it for the icing on top. Now let's move down and let's draw the stars on the cheeks. On the bottom, next to each eye, let's draw a curved star like this. And then another set next to it. And then another one on top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down, bring it out and in. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside, and at the top, let's draw 2 curves going down. And then for the bottom of the shirt, let's draw a curve down on both sides and a curve across underneath. and add some striped lines inside. Now top to the sides and let's finish drawing the arms. Let's draw an angle out. And then underneath, let's draw a curve back up like this. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right. Now underneath each leg, let's draw a large curve up and back down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Now top and side, and let's draw another curve at the top. And then add some curved stripes on each of the legs. And that's it for Cosmo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!